Hello everybody. I call this segment Affiliate Marketing 101. And in this episode, I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing for beginners. And I can't think of a better place to start than Amazon. Amazon is well known. It's a reputable company. And plus, it have hundreds of thousands of items that people use every day, everywhere, all over the world. And it's very easy to get started. So stay with me and take a pen, pad, take notes, because you're going to find something that would help you get started immediately after seeing what I'm about to show you. So the first thing you want to do is go all the way down at the bottom of the page of Amazon. And where I have the arrow pointing, become an affiliate. Go there, click there, and sign up to become an affiliate. It's very easy, very simple. After getting signed up, then just scroll through Amazon and select what item you may want to promote. For example, in this case, I selected the Sunny Health foldable treadmill. You see the price there is listed at $629 and some cents. And in the upper right corner, if I go up there somewhere, you will see an opportunity to click and get your affiliate link. After you found the item that you want to promote, I suggest you drive over to ChatGPT and copy and paste what Amazon have listed as the item. As you can see in my case, it was the Sunny treadmill. And so I simply said to Chad, I'm looking to sell this item. And then I tell him what I want. I tell the AI what I want it to do. I tell it that I need to sell this item. And I write the item name down. I would like for you to write me a short sales pitch that I can post and promote this item. Write me a YouTube script so I can have a short commercial video for the item, and write me a prompt whereby I can create an image for the item. I listed all those three things that I would like to have to sell that item. And by the way, everything I'm showing you is absolutely, totally free to use. The first place I went to after asking ChatGPT to write me a short sales blog, I went over to Google Docs. And the reason why I selected Google Docs, because you can place links on there and they are clickable, they are usable. And when you copy and paste your blog that you got from ChatGPT, you will be able to get a link that you can post anywhere on your social media platform, wherever you would like to. And that link would take them directly to Amazon sales page. As you can see written on the screen, Google Docs is free and the links are clickable. And look at that letter. Look at that blog. The image was created from the prompt I received from ChatGPT. I simply copy and paste that prompt inside an AI image generator. And that is what I got. I copy and paste the blog sales page and I paste it into Google Docs. and I place my link in the writing, the call to action here at the bottom. The link is embedded in there, and when they click here, it will take them directly to Amazon sales page. Again, totally free. Remember, I also had ChatGPT to write us a sales script. So I took that and I drove over to InVideo.AI and I placed that script inside there. And again, this is totally free. And this is what we got.
Ready to take your home workouts to the next level? The Sunny Health and Fitness Premium Foldable Treadmill is here to transform the way you run, walk.
Isn't that fantastic? So there you have it, friends. Affiliate Marketing 101. Let's review. The first thing you want to do is to become an affiliate. And I suggested maybe try Amazon. It's easy to get approved on Amazon. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you will find Become an Affiliate. Sign up there, and after becoming an affiliate, find whatever item you want to promote. Get the name of it. Grab your affiliate link in the upper right corner. Drive over to ChatGPT and slap that in the prompt and let ChatGPT know what is it you want. Number one, you want a sales letter. You want to sell a blog sale letter. Number two, you want a script that you can place inside of InVideo.AI so you can promote on YouTube, and if you want to, promote on other social media platforms such as TikTok, Pinterest, and others. Number three, you want it also to write you a script, write you a prompt that you can generate a thumbnail for your YouTube video. You could do all of that in one prompt, and this is what you get. Look at that thumbnail. So you've seen the thumbnail created. You've listened and watched a part of the video created. And you saw the blog sales letter created. Everything totally free. So friends, what are you waiting for? Get started today and start making money today. Thank you for tuning in to Affiliate Marketing 101 from your friend extraordinaire.